Welcome to this June 10th edition of What's Happening in Crypto, broadcasting to you from New Zealand and bringing you all of the latest. The markets, wowzers, dropping like a rock. Bitcoin down to $7,223, down nearly 6% in the last 24 hours. Must be the weekend. Crypto, man. What are you going to do? By the way, we're looking over on CoinPuffs.com today, one of the many alternatives to CoinMarketCap. First big story of the day, Norwegian Air CEO launching Bitcoin exchange and may sell airline tickets for crypto. NBX, or the Norwegian Block Exchange, is rolling out a cryptocurrency exchange later this year. And we've covered a lot of these stories recently. Fidelity, for example, is going to be launching a cryptocurrency exchange because having a cryptocurrency exchange is basically a license to print money. I'm not surprised to see more big companies getting involved. NBX has the ambitious plan of rivaling exchanges like GDAX and Kraken. Good luck to you, sir. Interesting as well that Norwegian Air may soon be accepting cryptocurrencies in payment. That would be even cooler to see. I'm more excited about that than the NBX exchange, personally. Over in Russia, the Moscow Exchange prepares infrastructure to conduct ICOs. Don't make the mistake of thinking that this is going to be for regular human beings. No, it seems that the Moscow Exchange has taken the idea that ICOs are going to be going to people who can invest in the exchange, essentially. Accredited investors, high net worth individuals, venture capital funds, banks. This is where Russia, and particularly the Moscow Exchange, seems to be focusing their attention when it comes to ICOs in Russia. It's unfortunate because I know that there will be so many regular investors in Russia who would love to be investing in some of these projects, but it's all going to go to big money over there, it seems, of course. Blockchain startup R3 may run out of money by next year, according to a report. Having raised $132 million over 2 different funding rounds, they have struggled to attract new investors. Of course, they are also suing Ripple. Apparently, they were promised a certain amount of XRP, which didn't end up being forthcoming. And, you know, if they had just invested that $132 million into Bitcoin, I feel like they probably would have done very well. The official response from R3 over on Twitter is a GIF. Great. Quebec lifts cryptocurrency mining moratorium but may charge miners higher rates. Quebec, we have long talked about on the show as being somewhere that has been very attractive to Bitcoin miners. They did say, we're getting too many applications. You guys need to chill out on this for a little bit. Let's sort through the applications, see how much we can take. We only have so much power available, and of course, Bitcoin is an insatiable, power-gobbling beast. Of course, the reality is that Quebec had a lot of unused power, which we now used for a fruitful venture of mining cryptocurrency, which is great. Over in Colombia, Colombian bank closes accounts for the South American crypto exchange Buda. Now, unfortunate situation to see this happening again to the Buda exchange. Buda was one of the exchanges that was also targeted in Chile recently. If you guys remember that story, Chilean banks shut them down. They challenged it in the courts. The courts said, no, you have to uphold the bank accounts for these companies. I really hope a similar situation happens here in Colombia, but it's just getting tiring at this point. My hat's off to these companies who get up every day and fight this fight, because it's really easy to launch a cryptocurrency exchange in Norway. Norway's not going to screw with you, man. But in Colombia, in Peru, in Chile, in Zimbabwe, and around the world we go, a lot of these little exchanges, they want to do business because they see the benefit in starting your own cryptocurrency exchange, guys. You got to keep that real. But they keep getting out there, guys. They're fighting this in the courts. They're making sure that they can be in business, that they can provide cryptocurrencies to regular people. I hope that they do challenge it in the Colombian courts, and I hope they win. Next big story. What is behind the ConsenSys expansion into Ireland? ConsenSys, of course, being the Ethereum for Social Impact organization, essentially. They have moved their headquarters over to Ireland, citing that awesome talent exists over in Ireland, and that's why we're moving there. Of course, many major tech companies and businesses globally have their headquarters in Ireland, because Ireland is also a great place for taxes. Speaking of social impact, bounties for the oceans. Sustained verifiable plastic cleanups. I love the idea of this story. If you guys have never researched, this is an aside actually, but if you've never researched Bojan Slat and his idea to help clean up the oceans, that's an awesome project too. But I really like what MakerDAO is doing, basically offering bounties for people to clean up the plastic out of the ocean. Go to your local beach, clean up a big bag of plastic, take a picture of yourself with the date written on it or today's newspaper. You'll probably find one laying around on the beach anyway, and then send it through. You can actually get paid. That's awesome. Now, I don't know how big those bounties are going to be. If you live in California or Norway, for example, well, it may not be worth your time, but I want to tell you that if you live in Sri Lanka, or if you live in Indonesia, or the Philippines, or Thailand, or India, or Madagascar, or Brazil, or any of these places where a few bucks can make a difference. If you have a smartphone and some time on your hand, go start cleaning up the beaches. This is such a cool idea and a great way to incentivize people to do good things with cryptocurrencies. Of course, it'd be nice if the plastic simply didn't go into the ocean in the first place, but it is. So we got to deal with that reality. Nebulous welcomes Deep Cloud AI. Deep Cloud AI is combining artificial intelligence and blockchain to build an AI-driven, decentralized cloud computing platform. I feel like I've heard that one before. For running decentralized applications, Internet of Things, Web 3.0. You guys know the drill. It's coming to Nebulous in the short future. Fifth largest cryptocurrency, EOS. Blockchain set to launch. It's happening, guys. It's happening. I can't believe it. The 1 year ICO has finished. They've raised $4 billion. I feel like you can buy a pretty good blockchain for $4 billion. And that's what EOS is doing. That's what EOS is doing. It's coming. By the way, this is hilarious. Jeff Berwick, the Dollar Vigilante, he made a quite funny video about EOS. You guys should come over and watch it. It's 3.5 minutes of your time, but it's a good laugh. It's kind of done in some kind of, I don't know, in Jeff's style. That's how it's done. But I enjoyed it. I got a good laugh. Ontology Global Capital launches with Selena Zhu as the founding venture partner. Ontology Global Capital is going to be one of those ones to keep an eye on, without a doubt. We see so many of these different capital funds coming in and stretching their tentacles out into the business world. It's going to be really big, guys. And final bits of updates for you for today. This is a reminder about the Elastos giveaways. We're giving away a bunch of Elastos thanks to the team over at Elastos. There are 2 ways to win, well, actually 5 ways to win in total, but 2 primary areas that you need to focus on. 1, get over there, leave a like on the video. Make sure you watch the Elastos video. It's a really great interview, by the way. But get over to my Friday news video, leave your Elastos address and thumbs up the video to be in to win one of 2 prizes of 5 Elastos, currently worth about $200. Or come over here on Twitter and hit that retweet button. It's that easy, and you'll be in to win 2 Elastos. There'll be 3 winners for that. Currently, you have like a 1 in 130 chance of winning. That's pretty good. Way better than winning the lottery, that's for sure. Well, you might win more money in the lottery, but it's certainly better odds. And I would like to, this is a South Korean boy band, by the way, actually called Winner. Gosh, they look like a South Korean boy band. That's just like what I would totally imagine for a South Korean boy band. Besides the point, I want to announce the winners of the NAC3 conference tickets. So it's 2 sets of 2 tickets. But actually, I got 3 really awesome videos, and I thought, you know what, I can't choose. I want everyone to go. So Keanu, Sharon, and Aaron, all you guys have got the tickets to go. So I'm super, super excited. I'm just so humbled, guys, when I get these videos from everyone, you know, the video submissions for NAC3, and I've got a lot of Satoshi videos as well. To know you guys are taking a bit of time out of your day, not just to watch the videos, because that's super awesome, but to actually make a video for me and send it through, and that's super cool, guys. So thanks to everyone who participated. Keanu, Sharon, and Aaron, I'll be contacting you guys soon to arrange getting those tickets for you, and of course look forward to seeing you in San Francisco. And a reminder, June 23rd, NAC3 conference, $200 for a ticket. Get over and join the fun, guys. There's gonna be all kinds of fun YouTube personalities there, like Carter Thomas and Crypto Bobby, as well as people from A-Chain and a few other different projects like BitClave. So come along and join the fun. Thanks so much for watching. If this video resonated with you, share it around, leave a thumbs up, comment on the video letting me know what you think about any of today's news stories. Join the conversation over on Twitter where we share farther insights into the crypto space. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.